Hello my beautiful viewers on my channel, James Higgins Open World. What I've got for you now is camping and outdoor eco rechargeable solar radio. USB solar or wind wind up Dynamo rechargeable. FM AM tuning radio. 3.5mm jack for earphones or headphones. Compact and lightweight design. Yep. I'll put the details in the description, but this is what you get with it. This is the wind-up radio, there. That's your solar panel. That's your aerial, there. Right. There's a little wind-up, there. There, solar, AM, FM, there, USB, there, I'll put it on for you. You got the tuner and the power, right. There you go. AM, FM. There you go. So what do I think of it? Well, this is just a quick look of it. But I've had it in the window, charging with the solar. You get your wind up there, as you can see, you know. So, yeah. And there's your little dials and speaker. And there you go. So, and then you get this with it as well. There's your little USB stuff. And your instructions as well. And it was $17.99. So, it will do me. Yeah. So, yep. So it's $17.99 it was. I'll put the details in the description in a bit. Just a quick look. You should get yourself one in case you start having power outages and things like that, solar flares and all the rest of it. So it's worth. But I would recommend everyone should have one. You can also get slightly more expensive ones which do DAB radio as well, and they've got power bank inside them as well, but this is just a basic. Me and my friend Joe got one, so I mean for $17.99 you can't complain, can you? Hey, anyway, see you on the next one.